Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Liz, and if you are a returning back subscriber, then you are definitely welcome back. On this channel I do beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, product reviews, hair reviews. You know, I do just a little bit of everything, so definitely stick around and do subscribe down below if you haven't already done so. And also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing another EUCERIN product which I purchased recently, and yeah, I just want to go ahead and tell you guys all about it, how I feel about the product. So if that's something that you are interested in, then definitely keep on watching. So this is the product that I'll be reviewing today. It's EUCERIN Urea Repair Plus 5% Urea Lotion. Okay, this is what it says here. Anyways, yeah guys, so this product is a 250 ml. Okay, it's 250 ml. I bought it from Clicks as usual, and I bought it for 240 bucks from Clicks. Okay, I'm not sure how much it is at this camp or in other shops, but yeah, got it from Clicks for 240 bucks. First of all, let's talk about the consistency as usual. Let's just shake it a little bit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my hand, you guys, so that I can show you. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's not watery, like it's really not watery, and it's not heavy as well. So I would say it's just like in between, not heavy, not watery. Yeah, it has a very nice consistency. If you are following me on Instagram, then I'm sure you already know that I've been planning for my vacation for quite some time now. You know, I've been buying stuff, getting ready to travel. By the way, if you are not following me on Instagram, then I don't know what you're doing. What you doing, girl? Go ahead and follow me. I'm gonna put my Instagram handle somewhere. Yeah, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm active there. I always, you know, share stuff with you guys, and yeah. So yeah, I'll be going on vacation very soon, and you guys know that my body cream is quite huge. Yeah, it's huge to travel with, so I like to buy travel sizes product when I'm traveling, so that, you know, I don't have to carry heavy stuff. But this time I was like, you know what, instead of me putting my body cream, you know, in an empty container, I might as well go ahead and buy a smaller EUCERIN body lotion bottle, you know, to travel with. And I felt like this one was good enough. I mean, it might look bigger on camera, but it's actually not big. It's very light. So yeah, I was like, I need to go and buy this lotion so that I can use it, you know, when I'm traveling and stuff. So I went ahead and bought it, you guys. I don't know if I should jump into how I feel about the product, or if I should first tell you, okay, you know what, as usual, let's just go and read the claims, because I'm so ready to jump on this product. Anyways, so on the bottle it says the results are immediate relief of typical dry skin signs like roughness and tight skin. That's claim number one. Claim number two, it says the skin feels pleasantly smooth and supple again. And then it says skin is resilient, and the recurrence of dry skin is delayed. The formula with liquid such as ceramide supports the skin's own protective barrier and helps prevent moisture loss. Then it says the formula with urea and NMF improves the water binding capacity of the skin, which results in a substantial increase in moisture content. The next claim says the oil in water emulsion absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky film on the skin. And then it says clinical and dermatological studies confirm very good care, efficacy, and skin tolerability proven on very dry skin. So these are the claims on this product, you guys. It also says 48 hours immediate plus dry skin relief. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already. All right, so I'm just gonna jump into how I feel about this product, and yeah, just tell you guys about this product. Again, the main reason why I bought this product is simply because I wanted to use it on my vacation, but after receiving it I was like, let me try it out, because you know, I don't want to be ashy while I'm on vacation. So I want to make sure that this is actually a good product, so that, you know, I'm not disappointed when I'm on the other side of the world. Yeah, so I tried this product on my skin. You guys, first of all, you know that I do have dry skin on my body, okay? I do have dry skin. Yeah, so I went ahead and tried this product. I applied it on my skin. You know, I was just waiting to see how the product is going to perform. The product was good. It was not shining. Like when you apply it on your body, it's really not shining. Yeah, it's not shining. It's nice. It moisturizes your skin very nice. The first time you apply it on your skin looks very nice and good. I was happy. I waited a few hours so that I can actually see if the product is actually good and if it's really keeping my skin moisturized for longer, has mentioned here. But let me tell you guys that this product did not perform well at all, okay? I'm just being honest with you guys. I do have a dry skin, more especially on my feet. Again, when I apply it on my skin, it looks good, it feels good. Wait a few hours, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, the product was still good. By the evening time, you guys, my skin was looking ashy, okay? My skin was looking ashy. It was looking dry. It was not looking nice at all. When I speak about my skin looking ashy, I'm not talking about my, you know, my upper body. I'm talking about my feet, okay? Regardless of how much product I applied on my feet was still be looking ashy. Like EUCERIN, I do not understand why. I mean, you guys know how much I love EUCERIN product, and you guys know how I rave about them, okay? But with this one, I'm not really sure what happened. I'm not really sure what went wrong, but for me, it did not work, okay? Let me know if you've used this product, and yeah, let me know how you feel about it. How was it on your skin, you know, after a few hours? I'm not talking about like immediately when you apply it. I already know it feels good, it looks good immediately when you apply it, but I'm a reviewer, and what I'm saying is that I need to keep the product on my body for a lot of hours to see how my skin actually looks like before I come up on here and tell you guys about this product. So again, to me, it did not work. If you have a dry skin like me, then I'll definitely advise you to perhaps go for the EUCERIN body cream, the one that I normally use, the one that I'm gonna link somewhere. Maybe go check that out, because this one, I feel like it's just expensive for no reason. I mean, come on. It's expensive for no reason, and you need a lot of products in order for you to moisturize nicely, you know. Unless if you don't have a dry skin, then I feel like this product will definitely work for you. But as for me, again, I have dry skin on my body, so I feel like this was not a good choice for me, okay? Now I'm gonna have to mix it with my other EUCERIN, because obviously I don't want to waste it. I don't want to throw it away, so I'm just gonna go ahead and either put in some oil, or maybe I'll mix it with my other EUCERIN body cream, you know, so that I can continue using it. But all in all, you guys, I would say that this product did not perform the way I expected it to perform, and yeah, it did not really perform based on the claims as well. Skin is resilient and the recurrence of dry skin is delayed. Mine did not delay at all. Just being honest with you guys, mine did not delay at all. This is the body cream that I always use on my body, and I absolutely love it. So if I can compare this one to this one, then I'll definitely go for this. Seriously, I'll go for this. I feel like this one is too expensive, because this is more expensive than this one, I believe. Yeah, so why should I go for this? I mean, this is 450 ml and this is 250 ml, but this is more expensive than this one, and this one does not even perform well compared to this. Let me tell you guys something. When I use this product, like if I use it today, put on my clothes, go out and do whatever I need to do, come back home, sleep, the next day my feet, my body will still be moisturized, like it will still be looking good. But this one, yeah, I don't know. If you watch my other review, when I was reviewing this product, I mentioned that I'm usually not a body lotion person. I always go for body cream because I like thick products. You know, I like to apply thick product on my body. It works very well compared to body lotion, because body lotions are super light. But I just wanted to go ahead and test this one. But yeah, all in all, I would say that I'm actually disappointed in this product. Yeah, it did not perform the way I expected it to perform, so I wouldn't recommend it to you guys. Yeah guys, so that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys about this product. Would I purchase it again? No, I'll definitely not purchase it unless if I did not have a dry skin. But as long as I have a dry skin, then nope, I'm not gonna purchase it again. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, like it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've used this product and how it feels on your skin, and also what type of skin do you have. What type of skin do you have? Let me know down below. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.